I'm going to show you how to embed, or I've actually heard people say embed. It's embed or embed. Basically, how to put the form right into another website. Now, you obviously have to have access to that website's code. So you need to be able to add content to that. I'm actually not using the real code. I'm using this Weebly.com, which is how I actually built the whole website for the workshop. It's actually really nice. I would recommend it to people. It's really easy to use. It's basically like using PowerPoint. If you can use PowerPoint, you can use this website builder. It's completely free. There are some limitations on how much you can put on it, whether it's files and things like that, how big they can be, but actually you can see I think it turned out and worked pretty well for this workshop website. So I'd recommend using it. The only other issue, I would say, or limitation with them is if you want it to be completely free, you have to make the website end in .weebly.com. So the website for the workshop was, I believe, ABA Workshop 2015.weebly.com, which isn't great, but really for the purpose of what we're doing here, who cares? So I would recommend using it. I've used a few. This is a pretty simple one. So the point of this video, though, is to show you how to build it right into it. So here's what we're going to do. We're back in our toothbrushing task analysis. Same process if I were to send it. So I'm going to click Send. Click on this Embed. It's going to pop up a new window. Basically what I'm going to do is click it here. Copy and paste it. So I did Command C or Control C if you're on a Windows computer to copy that code that I want. I'm going to go to my website creator, and you can see I have a little feature here called Embed Code. So I just drag it in. Puts in there, it says click to set custom HTML, so I click it. Tells me what I want, so I just right click, paste. You know what, I want to put it in the center, so I'll put it centered. And there you can see a little preview of it. There it is. So let's go to publish. Let's publish our site. I'm going to click here to view it and see what we got. And let's go over to form and website because that's the page that I put it on. Oh, there it is. So look, my form is right in a little, it's basically a little window within my website. So you could see I could fill this out. There, let's just put in some random data. I hit submit. There you go, it worked. So that worked actually really well. I kind of like it. Only thing that I didn't like is, let me reload the page. I don't like how I missed a lot of it here. See, I have to scroll up and down. I don't like that. So I'll show you a simple way to fix that. So if I go back into my toothbrushing task analysis, go through the whole process again, send form, click embed. See this custom size? I can change the height and the width in pixels. So it's 500. Let's just be safe. Let's make it 1,000 pixels. Take it. Copy it. Now let's go into Weebly again. You know what? I'm going to delete this one and start over. Let's get rid of that. And embed code. I drag it in. I click to set the code. I paste. And now actually if you read this, I don't know what most of this means. Actually I do know what a lot of it means. I know what an iframe is. But you can see now the change is 760 by 1,000. Let's put it in the center again. Let's publish. And you can play with those numbers if they don't look exactly the way you want. Form and website. Oh, I like that a lot better. Now I could see the whole thing right there on my website. So this is a nice feature if you do have access to your company's website or your school district's website or your own personal website and you want to build it right in there without having to give people links to go here to fill it out. This is a simple way to do that.